Dingbo Mobile Trailer Double Suction Water Pump User Operation Manual. Before use, connect the hoses, hook up the inlet hose here and the outlet hose here. Before starting up, first check the oil level. Make sure the oil is between the full and add marks. Check the antifreeze level. 5 centimeters below the cap is good. This is the fuel filler. Put in diesel here. Flip on the battery switch. Then the power switch. The display lights up. Press the vacuum mode button. The light comes on. Wait a sec. Once the vacuum stops, hit the manual mode button, then the start button. Open the valve and wait for water to come out. If there's an emergency, just press the emergency stop. Upon completion of operation, press the stop button. Wait for the machine to shut down. If you press it twice, it'll make the machine shut down right away. Normally, you just need to press it once. Once the machine's fully stopped, turn off the power, then flip off the battery switch. Let out the air and water from the pump. Winter, drain the pump completely to keep it from freezing and cracking. Disconnect the inlet and outlet hoses, then shut the valve. If you have any questions, please contact Dingbo Power.